Hi friends, let's dig today. Here we go, scooping up some mud. Whoa, look at the water splash. Dumping the load. Fun job. Oh no, fish need help. Hold on, little fish. Gotcha, you're safe now.
What should I do next? Maybe I'll check over there. Back to digging. Let's build a fish home. First, let's dig a hole. Now, let's add some water and rocks. It's a fish home. We did it.
Okay, let's shape this carefully. Scoop the dirt gently. Now, spread it evenly. Perfect. All done. Let's dig up some treasure. Wow, look at all this colorful coral. What a great haul.
Good job, Excavator.
Thank you, I love my job.
Yay, more water.